Hi dear friends, it's Bill Oxidean here again with the boat we all know and love, the Rampage Twin Cat. I'm testing out the new motors. I only did 2 runs on the new motors before. We're going to do 3 runs. We're going to run 6S bricks on it, we're going to run 8S on it, and we're going to have a good time. Water's a bit rough today, so we're probably just going to cruise, but we got the GoPro on there, and we're just going to run the motors through their paces. Testing for reliability, drivability, and all-out fun. For those unfamiliar, these are the new Oxidean Marine 57 by 113 4-pole mega torque motors. In initial testing, they run really smooth. We have them paired with our Hobbywing 300 amp ESCs. Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio controlled model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio controlled boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Here we are, face to face, a couple of silver spoons. Yes, I'm out here with my homeboy, the Rampage Twin Cat. I love this boat. I love this boat. I love it. I love it. It's something, this whole format I developed with the stainless props, the power system. Yes, we're trying out the new motor some more. I made a strut adjustment. It's windy out here though. This is not a speed run. We're just running the boat and trying to keep her upright. And just putting some runs on the motors for the most part. Like, I endurance test things before I put them out. I don't just, oh, this is cool, and put it out there. It's got to do some runs, some rough and tumble, heat and cool off. I got to make sure the magnets have some durability to them, to where, you know, magnets can be deceiving. This motor can run awesome for like 2-3 runs and then all of a sudden fall off. And that's definitely not the case with this because we selected magnet material. But just, you know what I mean? I just like to make sure of things before I put them out there for you. That's why our products are so solid. And that's also why Oxidean Marine boats have the highest resale value of any RC boats on the market. If you buy an Oxidean boat, if somehow you lose interest in the hobby or moved where you're not near water, you can sell it and get pretty much all of your money back. It's fascinating. I can't believe what they go for. But anyway, let's get to it. Over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. On my juggle trek to the promised land. Okay, now this is 6S on some small props. Not a speed run. It should run good. Great sport setup. Feels good. These props are small. Oh, still trying to pop a wheelie though. Oh, it's still lifting, getting some bow lift. These motors got some torque. things get a little flighty. I don't want it too much to hurt the batteries, but I just really like this boat and the way it runs all together. I love the Rampage. I just absolutely love this boat. Now that went well. That just went well. It's fascinating how much bow lift I'm getting with these new motors. They're longer, they should keep the bow down. It's got to be torque, and they just feel freer. They just feel like they just let go more. I wonder what it is, if it's the ape holes or what. Either way, all I've got is 8S setups now. So we're going to put 8S in it. I think I'll put the batteries a little further forward, but we're going to have another situation where this thing's going to be real flighty. I'm going to try to keep her on the water. That was a lot of fun. Nothing's hot, nothing's warmer than a baby bottle. You don't see a bunch of water in the boat. I just love this Rampage, dialed. And this will be a big leap of faith. I just can't get enough of that. It's an affair of the heart.
Receiver battery 5.9. Model speed 46 miles.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene?
I'm barely touching the trigger.
Screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC plugs, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool for heat.
That was fun.
Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game is a superstar. And the dominator just ESC motors, props and slick. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions asked.
This is an excellent running fun boat.
It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
Receiver battery 5.9 volt. Model speed 89 miles per hour.
That there was a good time. Looks like we hit exactly 101 miles an hour. It'll be interesting to see if the GoPro video corresponds. And now, a word from our sponsors. The Animal Twin Cat is the fastest, most stable, strongest, most reliable twin cat in its class. The Animal Cat was the first ready-run boat to go over 100 miles an hour and still is the fastest. This boat was designed from the ground up to go over 100 and it brings so much pleasure and joy. Order yours now. We have them in stock, ready to rock. Hobbywing based motors and ESCs for assured reliability and performance. Okay, dear friends, we're back at headquarters and we're looking at data. We opened it up on the Hobbywing app. All you have to do is turn the ESC on. You don't need the radio on or anything like that. It's through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It brings up the parameters. We ran it on 6 and 8S. Looks like voltage sagged pretty low on both of them. 152 degrees and 134. That's a little high for our likings, but motor temp, it didn't get the motor temp because we had no sensors on it. Current, almost 250 and almost 225. And that's not the two different ESCs. That's one ESC for 2 runs. Let's see what's up with this other ESC. Available device Hobbywing. Don't tell nobody my password. Data log. Peak record. Surface. Let's see. Oh, this one's got 3 runs on it. But those last 2 runs were almost identical in performance. 152, 134, 22.6, 18.3. Same RPM. Same amp load. Well, that at the very least tells me that everything's running calibrated and matched. Nothing's getting too crazy, especially with that peak amperage. Well, that concludes today's video. We really like these new motors. They're running great. We're going to continue with the tune so we can get it up to the speeds that we know we can get, well over 120. We're going to continue logging this data. And that's even more of a reason to subscribe to our channel. And if you liked it, smash the like button. And we just want to reiterate to you guys that subscribing to our channel is a whole different ball game. It's not like what a lot of these people are out here. We're not learning as we go along. I've been involved in radio controlled model boats for well over 20 years. I've been in the hobbies for well over 35 years. Actually, well over 40 years. And the information that you're getting here and the products that you're seeing are fresh on the market. I have access to things that none of the other YouTubers have access to because I'm a manufacturer. We get things first. We help develop things. And that's even more reason to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us. The information that you're getting here is well tested and proven. I've won dozens of races. I've broken 100 speed records, documented, sanctioned. Not just stick a GPS in it and get on some weird shit. I'm talking about real sanctioned speed records where there's other people on the site going against you. Bye for now, and continue enjoying radio controlled model boating.